your girl, Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For you guys today. Guys, I'll be making steamed fish. You don't know, a Jamaican steamed fish with some red tail snapper, guys. You can't go wrong with snapper. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe because, man, this thing turned out amazing. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification on so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video. And to all my fluffies that has returned back to my channel, you don't know, say you are awesome. Okay, you are #1. Guys, I know I haven't posted in a minute, but here I am today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be posting again on Wednesday. So catch you guys on Wednesday. Take it easy. Bye. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I have my red snapper right here. Nice and pretty red snapper. As you guys can see earlier, I already cut up my okra, my carrot, and my onions. So now I'm gonna actually season up the fish first. So I'm gonna go with my Maggi. Honestly guys, you can use whatever seasoning you have in your cabinet, because that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go with my Creole seasoning as well. I'm gonna season one side, then I'm gonna flip it over, then season the other side. Then I'm gonna go with my adobo. Guys, I put adobo on everything. So delicious. Then my complete seasoning. Ooh, this thing gonna taste so good. Woo! I cannot wait. Then I'm going with some black pepper. Ooh, yes. And my Sazon season. I'm just putting half of this on the top. Then I'm gonna pat this down with one hand and then flip it over. And then pat down the other side. I'm gonna put some adobo on the inside of my fish. Oh, this is just have a small part. So I'll put some more adobo over here. Some more Creole seasoning. Some more complete seasoning. And my Maggi. Not too much of the Maggi. Remember, the Maggi is kind of salty. Then I'm gonna go with my black pepper. Oh man, this thing gonna taste so good. Ooh. I'm gonna wash my hand, I'm gonna come back. You see all this well seasoned up? That's how you want your fish to be. Seasoned up to the T. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. So I added some oil, just a little bit of oil. Then I'm going to go in with some butter, because everything's better with butter. Just a small piece to flavor up the pot. Then I'm going with some minced garlic, just a little bit. Not too much. All right. Then I'm gonna go with just my onions. All right, so I'm gonna cover this up and let this saute down. Ooh. Then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. So come back, guys. While my onions saute down, I'm gonna cut up some pumpkin. It's already frozen and stuff, so thaw it out right now. So I'm just gonna cut them up in chunk, bite-sized pieces. Put these up. Oh shit! I wish I had fresh pumpkin. But this will do. And I have a whole potato right here. I'm just gonna cut these up off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna add in my carrot and all that good up. So come back. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna add in my carrots right now. Pretty. Ooh. And guys, I'm gonna use Grace cock soup. Y'all can find this at Publix supermarket in the international section. Also, some Walmarts, depending on the area you live in. You can go to the international section as well and find it. If you live in a small town, most likely they won't have it. So go to Publix for sure. Y'all, I haven't had steamed fish in so long. Woo. Can't wait. So I'm gonna just add everything in there. I'm gonna go with my pumpkin right here. Put all my pumpkin up in there. And I'm gonna go in with my okra. Honestly, I'm gonna save the okra for last because it doesn't take long. I'm gonna go with these potatoes that I diced up. Not too big, not too small. And I have 2 corn right here that I'm gonna add in later on. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add in 4 cups of water. Alright guys, so I just added in 4 cups of water. Then I'm gonna put in my cock soup. This gonna help season up the water. I'm also going to add some Saison, some more of this to help bring the color together and also season up the pot as well. Ooh, y'all can't tell me this don't look good already. So I'm gonna go with my 2 corn, fresh corn. I think these are 27 cents at Walmart. So I'm gonna put these in. Y'all know I like my corn really soft. So I'm gonna cover this up and let it come to a boil. Just a little boil. Then I'm gonna add my fish in there. Okay, so right now the fish is just marinating. Okay, soaking up all this good up seasoning. So I'll be right back when it starts boiling in about 10 minutes. About 5 minutes. Then I'll add my fish in there. Okay, baby. Guys, I almost forgot, but I'm going with some yellow yam. I'm just using a small amount, okay? Just a small piece. Just got 6 right here. Just 6 small little pieces right here. I'm gonna go over and put in the pot so that I can turn this thing right here. Ooh. Don't mind that. Oh yeah. Yo, this thing gonna taste so good. Ooh. So definitely 10 minutes on this. So come on, guys. So starting to bubble just a little bit. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Woo. So now I'm gonna go with my fish. Got my head and my tail, or you can leave it whole if you want to. I'm gonna try and separate these good up stuff right here, so I can put my fish, lay my fish down. Whoa. Yes. Yes. And what I did was added just a little bit of water. And before I cover it up, I'm gonna add a little bit more of my Saison seasoning all over this. So I'm gonna cover this up. Everything should take about 30 minutes for it to steam and everything. The last 10 minutes or so, I'm gonna go with my okra. But besides that, it's just a 1-pot meal, guys. Pretty much simple. So I'll be right back in about, I'll be right back with almost the finished product. I'm gonna put my okra in and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this. Guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.